Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sea moss gel. First, thoroughly clean about 1 cup of raw sea moss under running water to remove any ocean debris. Next, place the cleaned sea moss into a large bowl and cover it with 4 cups of filtered water. Let it soak for at least 6 hours or even overnight to rehydrate and expand. Once your sea moss is fully rehydrated, rinse it again thoroughly with fresh water. Transfer the rinsed sea moss to a high-speed blender. Add 1 to 2 cups of fresh, filtered water, starting with less and adding more if needed. Blend on high until you achieve a perfectly smooth, consistent, and creamy gel texture. Now, carefully pour your freshly blended sea moss gel into a clean, airtight glass jar. It's important to refrigerate the gel immediately after blending. As it chills, the gel will naturally thicken and set, becoming much firmer over several hours. This step is crucial for achieving the desired consistency. You can easily incorporate 1 to 2 tablespoons of your homemade sea moss gel into your daily routine. Add it to smoothies, teas, or even mix it into your favorite foods. When stored properly in an airtight container in the refrigerator, your gel will remain fresh and potent for about 2 to 3 weeks. Remember to always use a clean spoon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.